Okay, so if you've used CodeBox before, you already know how to use it. You don't need to watch this video. You can go ahead and skip to tutorial number 3. But if you don't know how to use it, basically this is how it works. For what we're going to be doing is creating C++ programs. This is just the environment that will build and run the programs for you. Now you may see all this stuff, but we're not going to be using anything but a few of the buttons. This button right here is run. It runs the program for you, and obviously we don't have the program up right now. But this is the run button, and again, if you know this, you can go ahead and skip the video. This is the build and run. So we build the program in the compiler down here to check and see if there are any errors, and it will show you the log after it runs the program if there are any errors, or if there are any major errors. It won't run the program at all. You'll have to fix it before the program runs. So we can rebuild, which is basically just refreshing our build, and it resends it to the build compiler, and the compiler again just rechecks it for errors. And basically these buttons right here are the only buttons that we're going to be using. And again, the new file, open file, save all files, those buttons. So this toolbar you can pretty much forget about. You can take it out if you want. This toolbar you can pretty much, well, you can forget about this one and this one right here. We're not going to need those, but you can leave them there, whatever, it doesn't really matter. So we're going to go to create a new project, and we're going to go to console applications. So the rest of this, again, is not for C++, or we're not going to be dealing with in this tutorial, because it's way more advanced than just learning the basic programming language for C++. So it's something you do once you know how to program in this language comfortably. So once you learn how to do this, we'll go through all the rest of this stuff, but for now, just go to console application, go to C++, click next, project title, and just give your project a title. I'll just put practice. Click next, and make sure you have the GNU GCC compiler clicked on. Make sure you have create debug configuration also check marked, and release configuration. You can check mark that, or you can uncheck it. I just use it uncheck it for right now. It's really not that big a deal. We're not going to be using anything that requires this, and even an explanation of that really isn't needed for right now. So click finish, and here's your first program. So it automatically builds this program for you, and we'll go over it in the next tutorial more in depth. But basically what this does is it just prints out hello world, the words inside here, to the screen. And if we go up here to build and run, you can see that we get the program hello world. And actually I'll show you under that, it shows you process return 0 execution time, and that's just how long it takes for the program, or how long it took for the program to run. And then once you finish this program, it'll say process terminated within how much time that the program was up for. So that's just two little hints into getting used to C++, and that's basically it. So in the next tutorial we'll go over the build of C++, its basic layout and stuff like that, and I'll see you there.